Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. Today's video, I'm going to be making my crispy air-fried fish fillet, so stay tuned. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. Okay, thanks for coming back. This recipe is really easy. All you're going to need is a couple of fillets. I'm using haddock, wild caught haddock. Also some mayonnaise, some spicy mustard, some salt and pepper, a little bit of Old Bay, and some cayenne pepper if you want it. For the breading, I crushed up some pretzels and some tortilla chips, and I've added the salt and pepper and all the seasoning into that. I'm not using any egg or any flour. I'm going to use the mayonnaise and mustard blend to coat it, to have everything stick to it. So I have the crust stick to it. So let's get started. Okay, so all we're going to do here is we're going to mix our spicy mustard. Now you don't have to use spicy mustard. You can use regular mustard or just mayonnaise or just mustard. It's up to you. I'm just going to take it's about half a tablespoon of mustard and mix that into the mayonnaise. So basically I'm making a Dijonnaise type blend here. So just mix that up. Okay, that's good. And this is a real simple recipe, not much to it. Get yourself some fresh fish. Gonna add some salt, this, and just a little bit of pepper. Not too much, because we've got some seasoning in the breadcrumbs also. So let's just take that off. Okay, so I'm just going to use a spoon here and just spoon some of this mayonnaise or Dijonnaise or whatever you call it on it, my liquid blend here. And I'm just going to make sure I get all the edges here. Okay. Get it all in there because this is going to give it a lot of flavor. And I'm going to take that and get that into the breading. And while that's sitting in there, I'm just going to add some more of this Dijonnaise to the top of the fish, or the bottom of the fish here. And you can use any kind of fish you want. I'm using a whitefish, a haddock. Yeah, you can use any kind you want. Tilapia works well. Cod works well too. The pretzels and the tortilla chips or corn chips, or you can use any kind you want. Just put them in a blender or a food processor or even rolling pin in a Ziploc bag, and just crush them up until you get the consistency you want. I left some of mine pretty big, so it's going to give it a little bit more crunch. And I seasoned them with salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and some Old Bay in there. So there's plenty of flavoring that's gonna be on this fish. Okay, let's get that there and add some of this to the top, go to the bottom. Okay, get the sides. Okay, and as you can see, this is real quick, real easy. Not much to think about. Okay, you want to make sure you get all the ends. Just pack it all in there. Okay. Shake off any excess and put it on the rack. So I'm going to clean this up. Put these in the air fry oven. I'm going to use the fish setting, which is, I believe it's 390 for about 15 minutes. And we're going to take a look at it when it comes out. Okay, so I set it at 390 for 15 minutes. And I'm using the middle to top shelf here, so it gets nice and crispy. We'll take a look at it in about 10 minutes. Okay, so we're at about 7 minutes left here, so about halfway through. Let's take a look at it. See what this looks like here. And you can see it's already starting to brown. It's already starting to brown, and probably needs a little bit more. I'm not going to bother to flip them, because I think they're going to cook fine. I'm just going to lower it to the middle rack here and finish it up. And I'll see you in 7 minutes. Okay, so it looks like it's done. Let's take a quick peek at it. And oh, you can see the crust, nice and crispy. Okay, I'm gonna get this over to the countertop and I'll show you what it looks like there. All right, well, here we have it. It's been about 15 minutes at 390 in the power air fryer oven, and the crust looks fantastic. And if you can smell in the house, that spicy mustard gives it a nice smell. I can't wait to bite into this. This is fantastic. And you can see I just set it with my potato chips. So it's a fish and chips dish for today. If you want to see how I made those, I'll post the video here in one of the cards, in one of the end screen cards. You can check out that video. These are just air fried potato chips. They're great. They go great with the fish too. So I'm going to cut into the fish now and show you what it looks like. Now you can see that it's pretty flaky. I mean, it just falls apart here, but the crust is fantastic. Just grab a piece of this. Very flaky and very tender. It gives it a little bit of a crunch on the pretzel. The pretzel, you can taste the crunchiness and the salt from that, and the tortilla chips. Fantastic. You know, again, gives it something different, something unique. I did add some cayenne pepper to it, to the breading, so it gives it a little bit of a bite in the background there. You don't have to add that. But if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom. Give me some thumbs up. Comment. Let me know what you think of this recipe, or if you make yours a little different crust. I'd love to hear it. I'm always curious to learn something new from people who cook all the time. So check out some of my other videos on the side here. Again, I'll place the potato chip video here, and also some of my playlists here. And I'll see you in the next video.